Illegitimi non carborundum. Strangers came to our island. They arrived in a great ship that was larger than any outrigger we had ever seen, though its method of propulsion remained a mystery to us because we could not see any oars. We were wary of the strangers at first, but we soon determined that they meant us no harm. We did not understand their language, but we were able to communicate with them enough so that we learned that what they wanted was to use a small patch of our island, and that they would compensate us for this. We were intrigued by this proposition, so we consented. The strangers brought large, noisy machines from their ship, which they used to take down trees, plow a section of ground flat, and erect a tower out of a material that we had never seen before. At first a mystery, the purpose of these activities became clear once the strangers performed actions that summoned great machines from the sky. These machines landed on the flattened track and disgorged bounteous cargo, and the strangers gave us a share of the goods. We enjoyed our newfound prosperity. Time passed, and my wife bore me 2 more sons, and then the strangers departed. They tore down the tower and took away all the machines that they had brought with them. We did not understand the reason for their leaving any more than we understood the reason for their arrival in the first place. We were not overly sad to see the strangers go, as they were pleasant enough, but what did disappoint us was that the flow of cargo stopped after the strangers left. This displeased me, so I determined that I would find a way to get the supply of cargo to resume. Aided by my fellow men, we felled trees, lashed branches together, and constructed a new tower from which I could summon the great machines from the sky. When the strangers were here, the man in the tower had ear coverings that must have played a part in the summoning ritual. We did not have the equipment that he had, so I constructed the closest approximation I could by using 2 coconut halves. Now I spend my days in the tower, trying to unlock the process that will once again summon the cargo to our island, so that we may enjoy prosperity again. Furthermore, Carthago delenda est.